What's up YouTube, Jeff back again today, another very exciting Samsung video for you guys, and today I found something very interesting and I want to share it with you guys. Remember how I made all those videos about Samsung messages losing RCS support, it's dead, they're end of lifing it, it's going to be sunsetted? Well, for some weird reason, Samsung has brought the Samsung Messages application back to the Galaxy Store, which you can download on your S25 devices. Before, you couldn't even find it in the US Galaxy Store. Now you can find it inside the Galaxy Store. You can install it on the S25, and it actually has RCS features that you can enable. So very confusing. Let's try to sort through it today. I'll tell you guys the good news, potentially bad news, and also be reaching out to Samsung. I already reached out to them for comment, and I'll update the description if they answer back. So check that if you're watching this video later on. Anyway, make sure you guys check out our website, sammyguru.com. We also have updates over there. We'll have this story covered there and updated in real time. If you haven't ordered a Galaxy S25 yet and you're planning to, you can get in our mystery box program, get a free case, cleaning kit, desktop phone stand. All you have to do is order through our affiliate link. That's how we pay for the program, the shipping cost. Fill out the verification form with your address, and we'll get the box shipped out. The first wave ships on February 3rd. That's already full. Second wave will ship February 10th. So if you order through the link now and verify, it should go out on February 10th. Anyway, as you guys know, RCS was removed by Verizon on January 1st, 2025 from the Samsung Messages app. And then Samsung subsequently removed Samsung Messages from the Galaxy Store entirely in the US. In fact, you couldn't even search for it, because if you search for it, even if you tried to click on the Samsung Messages link to the Galaxy Store on Google, it would take you to a page that says this app is not compatible with your device. Well, now, fast forward to getting my S25 Ultra. This is my retail unit, by the way. This is not the review unit anymore, although I have a review unit Samsung sent me as well. This is jade green, even though it's really hard to tell because all these colors, you know, they all look kind of gray, so it's hard to say. But if you search now for Samsung Messages, and you guys can see I already did that there, you find Samsung Messages, and it's an entirely new version. You'll notice it's very weird. It has 0 reviews when I first downloaded it. It's version 15.7.02.15, January 25th, 2025. This was uploaded and updated, and it's 47.97 megabytes. And you see, made by Samsung. Yeah, so this is new, obviously. I can't find this on the S24 Ultra or any of my old devices. I did share the APK over on X if you want to check it out, although other people on older devices are saying they're not able to either install it or see the RCS features. But anyway, if you open the Samsung Messages application and you have, for instance, your settings, you get a pop-up. And let me show you guys the pop-up first. I saved this earlier in my gallery. Right here's the pop-up that you get when you open it up. At least I did. And I'm running Verizon on this particular phone. Faster, richer, high-quality chat on Wi-Fi or data. Turn on RCS chats from Google in the Samsung Messages app. You agree to the terms of service, etc., etc. You agree, and then you can utilize chat features. And then there's also some things about how chat keeps you secure. This is all in the About screen. So I can actually show you this right here. If you go to Settings, first of all, you'll see the chat settings at the top here, chat features right there. You've got all the same ones that we used to have inside Samsung Messages, so it doesn't appear to be anything new, but it looks like now if you go into the About settings down here in Samsung Messages, you've got learn more about chat features from Google. So now it looks like they're doing this in combination with Google in addition to Jibe, which is what they were using before. However, even though this Verizon unit got the pop-up about chat features, I tested it with some of my other units. I have 3 S25 Ultras right now. So let me just show you guys. This is the one that Samsung sent me for review. Hugely appreciate them. This one's running T-Mobile. It's an unlocked unit running T-Mobile. So if we search for Samsung Messages here, I have it installed. If you go into the settings here, you'll see chat settings are at the top right there. And the About Messages is the exact same version that I just showed you guys. So that's the second one. And I checked my third one. This is a unit that I bought off eBay so I could get it early. This is a Boost Mobile, Boost Mobile is an MVNO. T-Mobile runs their network. If you go into Samsung Messages here, if you install it, and you go down here, go to Settings, you'll once again see chat features. Right there, you can turn them on or off. Got all your same chat features right there that we had on the other one. So all 3 of these have the chat setting. Now, I did not get the pop-up on the 2 T-Mobile phones. It was already there. So it's kind of weird that I got the pop-up on the Verizon. Now, I did some testing between my Verizon unit, which is this one, and my T-Mobile and Boost units. If you look at this conversation, this phone you're looking at right now is the Boost unit. And then I had a conversation with this unit, which is the Verizon unit. And if you look here, this is not a chat conversation. It's a text message conversation. You can see it's a text message, and obviously that means it's not using RCS. However, if you go into the conversation that I had between these two phones, the T-Mobile locked unit and the Boost unit, that's this one. They sent me out this S25 review unit. If you long press on this, you'll notice this is a chat conversation. So very interesting. I don't really know what's going on. I mean, T-Mobile, they never said they were getting rid of RCS in the Samsung Messages app before. Verizon said that. So maybe Verizon still, it's not going to work, but it's just weird that there's a new version of Samsung Messages with a pop-up that tells you about RCS, even on the Verizon unit. But it still works between the Boost and the T-Mobile unit, and chat settings are there. It's all very strange since Samsung said they were going to sunset the app. And so I have really no idea what's going on. I just wanted to bring this to everyone's attention. I have reached out to Samsung for comment. And if I do get a comment from them, I will update the description like I said. So this could be good news. I still don't know if it's good news for everyone because Verizon, obviously, it still looks like it's not working between Verizon and other things. So it looks like RCS, even though you've got the chat settings, this is a Verizon SIM that's in this unlocked unit. You got chat settings, but the chat is not working. Anyway, I'll definitely do further testing. I want to let you guys know so you can try it out. I'll have the APK below that I extracted. Check out SamyGuru.com. If you haven't ordered your S25 yet, you want to order one, check out the Mystery Box program. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.